Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to enable DLSS 4.5, the new NVIDIA GPU. I want to test it for the RTX 3060. Okay, first thing first, go ahead to Google. We have to search for NVIDIA drivers and download the latest driver from the NVIDIA website. Okay, search for driver, product, GeForce. Okay, RTX 30 series. Okay, Windows 12, 11, okay, 3060. Okay, now to use this DLSS 4.5, you must download this driver. GeForce Game Ready driver, not the studio driver. Okay, the latest version is 591.74 in Monday, January 5, 2026. Okay, let's view it and download. Okay, fine. Downloading is finished. Let's open the folder. Okay, double click here to install the NVIDIA GPU driver. Okay, choose this one, NVIDIA graphic driver and NVIDIA apps. Choose custom advanced and perform a clean installation. Select this one and press next. And the installation please begin. Okay, after starting, the installation is finished. Okay, في desktop shortcut for NVIDIA flash NVIDIA close. Hit next. Okay. Skip this. Okay, now let's enable the latest version of the DLSS 4.5. Okay, let's go here to graphics and let's show here global settings and go down here to DLSS. Use 3D application setting. Use the latest. Hit apply, or you can go right here and use the latest from here and the key model, final one. Okay, this is the first one. Second one. Third one. Okay, I put the resolution. Let's choose this one. Put the resolution. Okay, hit this one quality. Hit OK. Okay, I think it's fine. This is how to enable the DLSS 4.5 in your GPU.